Hey there. I'm going to show you how to correct the bottom bracket on a lot of bikes when installing the Bafang motors. Sometimes you'll come across occurrences where the bottom bracket isn't true. In my case, this one is shaped like an hourglass. What you end up doing is you need to go and get a 33 millimeter hole saw. This is the easiest way. I tried dremeling. No way. I mean, I would have been there forever and the thing would have been all wonky. I would also been afraid I would have went through. And you're going to put this through. You're not going to mess up your threadings or anything. At least you hope not. Because this goes through it. You'll right into it and you'll be drilling out, in my case, the hourglassness, or in other people's cases, if you got a little knob of metal or something like that, it'll take it out. Should take just a minute or so to be able to correct this. You'll need the hole saw, and of course you're going to need a drill, preferably one that plugs into your power. Maybe be able to do it with a cordless drill if it's not too bad. And of course the frame I'm dealing with here is aluminum, so it won't be that hard, but some people's case it may be steel. All right, I think I'm just going to go from the other side just because of the way it's angled here. So yeah, I'm going to stick it all the way in. Oh yeah. And I'm going to grab it with both arms because, well, I don't want it to rip my hand off when it's goes out. And the threads are still good. And now I'm just vacuuming out the aluminum off my floor, and I'm going to also vacuum out the bottom bracket. Now when I put the engine in, the motor, as some would call, bothers some people when you word means both. Okay, and now that I put the motor in, nice, she'll actually slide all the way back in. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a good day.